Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can delete your card and remove your card from Amazon Prime Video and how you can set up a new one. So let's get right into it. Firstly, what you're going to want to do is log into your account. I'm going to be demonstrating this through the desktop. You can use the mobile platform as well if you want, but once you're on the desktop, you need to go, once you've logged in, to your profile, hover over it, then go into account and settings. From here, you'll see your details here and your membership details right below. As you can see, there is a payment method already selected, and to change it, you can click set payment method if you want to change it to a different card, or if you want to remove one, you need to go into manage wallet. First, of course, as you can see, I have only one card here. You can click this arrow to extend this. It'll show you all your information, and then you'll just have to click on remove, and then you might be needed or prompted to confirm that you want to remove it, and then once that's done, your card will be removed. Then you can go into add a credit or debit card right here, and then enter all your information to set a new credit card into Amazon Prime Video. Then go to set payment method, select the card you want, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.